How to keep YouTube application up to date. If you're using Android device, open Play Store. Otherwise, on iOS, open App Store and tap to launch the app. Proceed towards the search icon at bottom right corner. Now tap search bar at top of your screen and now type in YouTube. Tap search icon on your keyboard. Now from your search result page, you will find YouTube app. Simply tap to open it and here you will see the update button. Tap update and according to the internet connection speed and the space you have, it will take a few time to update. So updating your YouTube app is quite easy and simple as well as important because updating helps you to enjoy the latest features and be free from different kinds of bugs and glitches appearing on app. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.